Up guys, it's me Dantes. Today we're gonna play Life in Music part. Oh wait lang. Well, so I think guys natapos ko na yung part 1. So this is part 3 na to, part 3. Oh, part 3 na to ha. Part 3. Uy. Putik, di ko nga kilala kung sino nga. Ayun. Good afternoon, maestro. Si Sylvia. Oh, kinilig yung betlog ni Joseph. Alin? Time. Okay. It's a Craig Mart. Well, a family mart, let's say. Anyway, you know what I mean. So, what shall we do? Jump on, my baby is waiting. Yes. Since my baby can go on the motorway, we'll have to take back roads to the villa. So, yung ganyan motor yung katulad kay Sylvia. Ganyan. Ano pwede yung walang lisensya? Don't intend taking all day, so hold tight. Oh, kinilig yung betlog ni Joseph. Joseph, kay bagal mong tao. Yan siya. Ko lang para di tayo mga copyright tata tayo. Sheesh! Sana? Sheesh! Grabe! We can manage. So guys, pause ko muna. Pause ko muna. So, okay, we're back. Here's yung clock. Yan. This is it. We here. Take a certain turn on the right. Sir, yes, sir. Alam pala ni Joseph. Nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan ng lalaki. Sino nga yun? This is where Barry would have, or as he usually called it, the soul of souls balls. Yun na ni Maestro composed some of his most important later works. He is his music, and his music is him. Ano? Listen to me. But of course. But the very good. Look. Sabi, saan ka pupunta? Huwag mo ako iwan. Sayang, iniiwan na siya. Ay, hindi. Yo! Ay, wala. Branded mo. Tara na. So, okay. Puro mga statwa to. Yo! Piano! Serious? Look. Birdie's piano. Paras lang pala silang musician. Kasi natin para. Grabe. Huwag ka naman magpasikat. Part 3 na nga pala ito. Tapos ko yung part 2 eh. Huwag ka ng posisyo si... Buburahin ko yung part 1 kasi kasi hindi parang di pantay ulitin ko yun. Hindi, pabayaan na. Huwag na. Okay, another minigame. Another minigame, guys. O, daya! Buhay na tayo dyan. Panis kayo sa akin, 14. Joke lang. Okay na. Buti di ko sa escape. Partida, ginawa ko. Yung last episode, ang galing. Ba't ba kayo nasa likod sa akin? Kayo nasa likod sa akin, ha? Gusto niyo ba? Brilliant, I'd like to able to play like you. I was to call you maestro. You're excellent. Who dare touch the maestro? You know, this is museum. Damn it, you're not a permanent marker. Uy, tatay niya. Antonio, you know you can't touch anything. Yes, sir. Especially if you play that piece. You become. Yeah, I'll make you pay. Go on out, shoo! Tatay ni Antonio to. Shit. Do you smoke? No thanks. You're just too good. You long have. Oh, sorry. How long have you been singing? 10 million years, joke lang. Masamang mag-smoke. Ang rich ni Sylvia, tapos sabay magsismoke siya. Ang gusto eh. It's always like this. Sorry, typical smoker problems. There's a tour guide over there, I guess. Thought she was a showroom dummy. Asan na yung sigarilyo mo? Huwag mo sabahin kinain mo. Sigarilyo, borrow that lighter. Oh. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. And do you like my shirt sober today? Okay. Thank you. She reminds me of Miss Chaperone, but I didn't know she smoked. Strip pot? Ready second wife. I told you about her before. But don't you have a notebook and exercise book for making notes? I've got my sketchbook, but I use it for sketching. Actually, you know what? Come here. Sylvia, saan tayo pupunta? Saan punta? To the moon. Whoop, jeep. Zoom, zoom. Kirker. Zoom, zoom. Malik. Among mata. Ang trip. Ano na ba? Maupo ata tayo dito. Tangin ang upo. Parang lipad. Into the drawing. The sketches I do help me remember better. Less than music, but definitely more than words. I still don't believe you did those scales. You're so good. Thank you. You never told me when you started singing. Since I gave up dance so around 3-4 years, I realized I should only follow one passion instead of having to take on all the ones my mother didn't manage to follow in her youth. Did she put you under a lot of psychological pressure when you were little? She doesn't even now pushing me become what I don't want to be. I did dance, artistic, gymnastic, theater. Nothing that really interested me. Seeing her happy filled my heart up, and I did everything I could to make her proud. Then it started too much. I wasn't eating anymore. I was living for things that I didn't feel were mine. Singing though was completely different. It started as a game. Game? Yes, we did. Yes, well, yes, I'd listen to my granddad's bean lead records and imitate. Bala na. My granddad would wet himself with laughter. I started singing when he died. He must miss him a lot. I had opposite treatment from my mother. She left us 2 years ago to get remarried to another one. Why? I don't know much about him, and he honestly doesn't interest me. I just know he's definitely richer than my father. We were from each other one at Samat. She asked me about my studies and nothing else. I love her, but I don't think she's ever heard me play in these 2 years. Well, she doesn't know what she's missing. What do you think that memory stone there is for? In memory of an old friend. This is for Lolo, Birdie's dog. I called my little dog Lulu too, in memory of my best friend. I didn't know I didn't know you had a dog. I've got a cat, he's called White Star. I call him Blake. He was born at the same sort of time discovered Radiohead, so he's sorry about to everyone. Maybe because he only got Thanks again, Wet for the sweatshirt. Don't even think about it. Thank you for coming with me to do the research. Ako na tinatamad. You're great. Thanks, Maestro. Perhaps I should go. The sun's going down, and I don't want to do the back roads at night on the Vespa. Tara. Tara. Bish naman, parang wala nga punta ka ba? Yo! I bet this beauty got more horsepower than my Vespa. What? Selfie, I'll explain to you. Photo. Wait, okay. Nice one. Holy shit! Do me a favor, you drive this time. I do insist. Oh my god, si Joseph na magdadrive. Si Joseph, kaya mo yan, Joseph. Putik na yan, Joseph. Yeah! This is going to be on the next demo. Yeah. I can show you the world with full of imagination. What is it? A maestro playlist. I can show you the world. Here we are. So you mean you do it all in your head and you never get it wrong? Not so far. Slowly, give me an with. It's okay, where you got? I have no idea. Okay, wala ka namang alam eh. Thanks, Antonio. Ah, si Antonio pala. Apo. Silvia. Pag ito kinilig yung balls ni Antonio, di ko lang alam. Wala na, tinamad na akong gawin yung part 2. So, yun ang video guys. Yun ang video. Babay na. Oy, di pa ako maglalaro ng part 4, oy. Babay na guys, yun ang video.